Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And these are the Huawei Freebuds Studio. Are these the new king of headphones? Are they going to replace the Sony as the new king? Let's find out here on Knoles Cool Stuff. The Huawei Freebuds Studio has omnidirectional 8 microphone system with 4 high sensitive microphones that work together that detects ambient sound to give you a more accurate balance with noise cancellation. With innovative TAT acoustic architecture, which links inner ear space with the front and back sound cavity to filter out the medium and high frequency noise, giving you a comfortable wearing experience by balancing the air pressure in your ears. Huawei Freebuds Studios will give you intelligent dynamic ANC with scene change, a smart multi-scene perception system which uses IMU1 sensor and microphone to complete 100 times scene detection per second to adjust the ANC mode to your environment. 3 modes, which are Ultra mode with complete ANC, General mode, which lower the ANC so if you're in a cafe or restaurant, and Cozy mode, which reduce the sound of air conditioning sounds and computers. Huawei Freebuds Studios will offer Hear Through mode with Awareness mode, which allows ambient sound in, but allows you to keep listening to your music. Voice mode, which needs to be set up with the AI Life app, which allows human voices to be enhanced but will reduce the environment noise around you. With Huawei Freebuds Studio 6 mic call noise cancellation, the 4 outward-facing mics will pick up human voices from background noise, and the 2 inward-facing mics will deliver the voice in the ear and will reduce wind interference. making calls as clear as freshly cleaned Windex windows. Music will come alive with its high-resolution audio with a hi-fi level audio chip and a professional acoustic components that Huawei Freebuds Studio will provide you with ultra-wide frequencies from 4 Hz to 48 kHz. With Huawei L2HC high-resolution codec 4, will support fast and stable audio transfer with a speed up to 960 kilobytes per second, which will reduce quality loss and restore the original fullness of your music. Freebuds Studios will provide a dual antenna design that allows your music and calls have a stable signal and seamless connection. So if your phone is in your pocket or bag, you'll have stable connection. Gamers, don't worry. The Huawei Freebuds Studios will give you a perfect sound and gameplay as everything is synced with Huawei's wireless audio coding algorithm, which will greatly reduce signal latency and will deliver you a more enjoyable and immersive gaming experience. If you have a Huawei smartphone, you'll enjoy fast pairing with your Freebuds Studio with a pop-up pairing, but if you don't have a Huawei smartphone, you'll have to do it the old-fashioned way in Bluetooth setting. Huawei Freebuds will allow dual device connection. Whether you are working on a computer or a tablet, you can still receive calls by just double tapping on the right ear pad with no connection switch needed. The music, please don't stop the music. With 24 hours of listening with ANC off or 20 hours with ANC on, your battery life will last all day. It will only take 60 minutes to charge your Freebuds Studios, but don't have 1 hour to spare? Then just charge for 10 minutes to give you 8 hours of music with ANC off. Huawei Freebuds Studios will offer you easy touch control on the right ear pad. Swipe up, volume up. Swipe down, volume down. Swipe left, previous song. Swipe right, next song. Double tap, play or pause music or answer and end calls. Press and hold 2 seconds. Activate noise assistance or reject calls. Freebuds Studio will offer you wear detection. Your music will pause if you have to take off your headphones. But once you put it back on, your music will resume from the last spot. All right, guys, so this was the quick first look at the Huawei Freebuds Studios, Huawei's first venture into the studio headphones. Now, so far, I've only been using it for 1 day, and I can say so far, it is pretty good. Their active noise cancellation, sweet. All right, they're comfortable. I've been wearing it for about 4 hours now, very comfortable. All right, so far, everything works well. Connecting to a Huawei device quickly. Now, connecting to another device, let's say my iPhone or another one, does seem like I have to sometimes turn off the Bluetooth and turn it back on to see if I can find it and stuff. But like I said, I'll give you a full review later, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, so these are the Huawei Freebuds Studios. Very nice step into the studio headphones for Huawei. Now, the question is, are they going to give Sony a run for their money for the king of headphones? So far, Sony has been knocking it out of the park with their headphones. So, can Huawei compete in this business? All right. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this was an episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And as always, my followers, be cool. Now, I'm going to put these back on because I got to dance.